Hey guys, it's Miss Tomlin. I hope you've had a good spring break and that you're getting back to work on all your school stuff. I'm hoping that we will get to see each other towards what would have been the end of the school year, and I'll be able to give you back all your school things, and I'm definitely looking forward to seeing you in the halls next year. I miss you so much right now. I've been thinking about you and I wanted to read you a book. You guys have seen these books before. They're the Piggy and Gerald books by Mo Willems. This one is called There is a Bird on Your Head, and I want to read it to you guys. Here we go. There is a Bird on Your Head by Mo Willems. There's a bird on your head. There's a bird on your head. There's the bird coming down. Piggy! He startled poor Piggy. Is there something on my head? Yes. There's a bird on your head. There's a bird on my head. Ah! Is there a bird on my head now? No. Now there are two birds on your head. Oh, Gerald doesn't look too happy about that. What are two birds doing on my head? They are in love. The birds on my head are in love. They are lovebirds. Lovebirds. How do you know they are lovebirds? They're making a nest. Two birds are making a nest on my head? Oh. Why would two birds make a nest on my head? I'm afraid to ask. Do I have an egg on my head? 1, 2, 3 eggs. 1, 2, 3. You have 3 eggs on your head. I do not want 3 eggs on my head. Then I have good news. The eggs are gone. The eggs are hatching. Hatching? The eggs on my head are hatching? Cheep, 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 cheep. They have hatched. Now I have 3 baby chicks on my head, and 2 birds and a nest. I do not want 3 baby chicks, 2 birds, and a nest on my head. Where do you want them? Somewhere else. Oh, Gerald. Why not ask them to go somewhere else? Ask them? Ask them. Okay, I'll try asking. Excuse me, birds, will you please go somewhere else? No problem. It worked. Bye. Now there are no birds on my head. Thank you, Piggy. Thank you very much. Look. You're welcome. The birds went to Piggy's head. The end. I hope you guys enjoyed the book. Like I said, I hope to see you again soon. I love you. I hope you're doing well. Y'all have a great day. Bye.